In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and see the transaction history on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this process is very easy. All you need to do is log into your Kraken account, and right here at the left sidebar, you can also expand it right here. You will find the activity. So if you click right there, you will see transactions. And right here you will see a list of all your transactions. This will include any buy order, any sell order, any deposit or withdrawal, and you can filter it for a specific coin. You can filter it by type of transaction, by date as well, and you can even export the history of all your transactions. In my case, I only have this deposit of Litecoin, and if you click on a specific transaction, you will find some details about this specific transaction as well. And that's it. That's basically the process you need to follow if you want to find your transaction history on Kraken. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.